carmín encendido, Guantanamera, y versos de un verde claro, Guantanamera, y de un carmín encendido, Guantanamera. Guajira,
We're at Nice right now. This beach is called Promenade de Anglais. Crystal clear water. Oh! And it's very cold. Just enjoying the beach here. Most of the beaches that I have visited till now are sandy beaches, so water is little muddy or sandy. But here, because it's a pebble beach, the water is crystal clear. I dipped my GoPro inside the water as well. I can see what is inside it, and it's really beautiful. It's winter. It's December. It's very cold, but here in Nice it's not that much cold as it is in Alps, a hot province where I stay. It's good. Later in the day we will go there. That's called Castle Hill. From there full Nice beach view we can get, and even the city we can see from the top. It's morning, around 10 o'clock. We just arrived in Nice, and the first impression itself is amazing. I can stay here for the full day, doing nothing, simply seeing the waves and enjoying the sounds of water and the sun. Luckily it's a sunny day. Last 2 days was little rainy in the place where I stay, as well as in Nice also. It was showing that it's partly cloudy and 10% chance of precipitation as well. But well, with God's grace, today is beautiful, and we are looking forward for a lovely holiday in Nice. These places are full of orange trees, as you can see. This place called Jardin Albert Park. It's near to the sun fountain where we are going. So I was talking about orange trees. Here you see, full of fruits. I want to pluck one, but it's not right and it's not allowed as well. This is inside Jardin Albert Park, and there is a big merry-go-round. It's like the London Eye, but we're not in England, we're in Nice in France. Well, this is also very nice. We have a I love Nice poster here, I think. Let's see. Yes, and it's true, I love Nice.
I've been crying all day 'cause I have big problems. No one told me that growing up was so hard. I just need to escape for a moment. Somewhere.
You guys come in the vlog.
Hey! This is
This is what, Pawan? We're in Nice. Okay, so we are at the top of Castle Hill at Nice. What we can say here is this Promenade de Anglais and beach, Pebble Beach in Nice. And this is the market through which we came here by walk. And that place is Jardin Albert Park. Here that merry-go-round is there. And yeah, this whole town, this portion is Old Nice. Here is where the Nice has begun. And this is Nice Cathedral. This is also 1600 years old. And if you see, there is a big stretch of trees. That's actually a stretch of Jardin Albert Garden at in Modern Art Museum, yes. And it is separating Old Nice from New Nice. That side it's called New Nice. So our Nice village station, from where we get trains for Monaco or let's say Genoa in Italy, or Cannes or Antibes, that is in that side in New Nice. We are currently at Castle Hill, and this is the best view from the top of the hill, looking over the Mediterranean Sea. And over there, that's Nice Airport, and it's evening and sun is setting.
Crying all day 'cause I have big problems. No one told me that growing up was so hard. Oh, just need to escape for a moment. Somewhere. I've been hearing voices that guide me to my choices, but I never do what I want. I've been hearing voices that guide me to my choices, but I never do what I want. I want to live in mystery.
This place is called Palais de Justice. This is basically a court, but yeah, lavish French court. And there are markets as well.
You got to breathe to find a way. I'll wait you through these things away. You gotta think about these days, about these days. Get on your knees and start to pray. All you need. You gotta think about these days, about these days. Run, 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 oh, face to the sun, oh. You gotta give a smile to everybody. Run, 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 oh. Run, 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 oh, face to the sun, oh. You gotta give a smile to everybody. Run, 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 oh. Can see the light, can see tonight, can see the
No, sir,
light.
this will meet in the same only.
Can see the light, can see tonight, can see
Take
the
the open the map,
light.
man.
Climb on the roof of your mind and find a groove. Take your time. You gotta think about this.
In France, we have this kind of local markets. There are all kinds of vegetables and daily things that you need is available, and this comes directly from the farm. and the farmers and the local people only sell it. As you can see here, the fresh oranges and other fruits as well. How much piment fort? Piment fort is chili, 1.59 per kg. Nice place Massena, how it looks in the night. This is the main square in the town. That's Fountain of the Sun. God Apollo statue is there. And the light show is going on. So this is Notre Dame Cathedral, and that's our hotel where we are staying, and we'll check out in few hours. Before that, we're just taking a walk and exploring the city. First 2 days we were going to viewpoints and churches, museums, wherever main tourists go, but we kept one day separate to explore the city by walk, like to go to the places that Google doesn't suggest you, but those are the real beauty. The center of the city, the old city where you can see, you can have some local food such as soca, and there are various others.
All day 'cause I have big problems. No one told me that growing up was so hard.